This is the GoPro Hero 7 Black. It has some new stuff to it, and I'm going to show it to you right after this. I have been doing this gimbal series, and one of the gimbals that I did was the GoPro gimbal. And this GoPro that it's in here, it is the 5. And let me take it out and kind of lay it here, because we're going to do some comparisons here, so to speak, on that. Now this is the 5. The 5 didn't have a whole lot of changes from the 4. Then the 6 came around and nothing really happened. But this one has made some dramatic changes. And well, this one first of all says 12 megapixel, 4K, 60 frames per second, 33 feet. Or 10 meters that can go in. It even says live streaming. What else? 8 times slow-mo, built-in GPS, and one of the coolest things, the new ones, it says hyper smooth. It's almost that you don't have to have a gimbal. It's got that nice smooth thing here. So let's open this up and see what we got here. All right, here we go. All right, good. This GoPro is a little darker than the previous ones that's been in the past. And when you put them side by side, it is darker than again, this is the 5, and this, I just skipped the 6. There was no changes there, but there is a significant amount of changes in the 7 that it warranted definitely a look into this. But they're basically same in size, just that the 7 is darker, more like a black. This is more like a dark gray, or the dark to a light gray on that. So, I'm gonna lay that right here. What else does it come? Obviously, it comes in its own little housing. All right, so that's that. Okay. In the box, we got paper stuff explaining how things are going on, stickers, a book for your reading pleasure. Anyway, battery. You got a sticker mount, and this is round. This is more for like helmets that have that contour. Here's another sticker mount. This is more of a flat surface. USB-C cable, and that's it. Okay, so that's basically it. That what we got here on that. We'll do a side-by-side comparison with the 4. I got some mounts on that. I also bought some accessories. This is not bad. This is kind of fit here in this fashion. There it is. See, nice little, and then I can just take pictures or go like that. Do whatever I want. We'll see how this all works out. I mean, but it's a pretty cool little cover there. I bought this mic adapter This hooks up to the side and allows you to put a 3.5 millimeter microphone, and also allows you to charge at the same time. A polarized filter is very important to have, especially if you're out in the sun or in the bright light. And so I got this Sandmark aerial filter for the Hero 765, polarized filter for GoPro. I'll take it outside and we'll run with it. What really got me interested in this one was that once you just put it in, you move this wheel around and it actually controls different polarizations. And that's what the whole purpose of this is all about, is how I can take good pictures, how you can take good pictures with the least geeky tech stuff possible. Guys, if you like these videos, give me some thumbs up. Comment below. Let me know what you're using for taking videos or pictures, what kind of cameras you're using. Also, share this video with your friends. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to do that. And for those of you who have subscribed, let me tell you, I appreciate your support very, very much. And with that said, I'll see you around on the next video, where I will take it to the next level.